UPS. Lithium-ion, game-changing UPS battery technology. Long-lasting, up to 3 times longer than valve-regulated lead-acid batteries. That means less maintenance, fewer or possibly no battery replacements. Lowest total cost of ownership, up to 50% TCO savings versus VRLA over the life of the UPS. Longer runtime, 2 to 3 times more runtime versus similar VRLA UPSs. Peace of mind with a 5-year warranty on battery and UPS. Faster recharge, 90% battery capacity in around 2 hours. High temperatures, lithium-ion performs better in higher temperatures than VRLA. Plus, all the same great Vertiv Edge UPS features. Flexibility with rack and tower configurations. Allows users to view real-time conditions, alarm notices, and runtime information. Hot swappable user-replaceable batteries. Easy to replace through the UPS front bezel. High efficiency, up to 98%. Optimized energy management and cost savings. Programmable outlets extend runtime to critical loads during an outage. 0.9 output power factor means more watts go to supporting IT loads. Vertiv connects and protects your network with core-to-edge solutions and unmatched expertise. For maximum efficiency and control, pair your Vertiv UPS with Vertiv Power Insight, a free remote power monitoring software, or with Vertiv EnviroNet Alert, a critical facility monitoring software. Additional flexibility is provided by Vertiv Network Communication Card.